This is the Epson 595 WI projector, which I'll be using to project sewing patterns directly onto to cut out fabric. This can help save time and eliminate the need for printing out paper patterns. This projector was gifted to me, so depending on where you purchase it, it may come with different accessories. Mine includes a remote and an HDMI cord. Since I'm using a MacBook, I need an adapter to plug it in. Depending on your laptop, you may need one too. I use patternprojector.com to calibrate and display my patterns. The website provides detailed information on how to set it up, making the process easy to follow. After installing the app, it'll allow the projector to mirror your screen. I am switching my projector over to the floor and using a box to provide some height to it. You can use books for that, or a sewing table if you have one to project your pattern onto. To get accurate measurements, I'm using an 18 by 24 inch cutting mat to properly scale the projection. This helps make sure my pieces are true to size. Most PDF patterns include a 5 by 5 centimeter test box. Before cutting, you can also use a tape measure to check that the projection is accurate. Once calibrated, I click on Project. Then I open my PDF pattern and move it around as needed to fit my fabric layout. You can also mirror the pattern, reflect it horizontally, or flip it vertically if needed. Here's how the pattern looks projected with and without fabric. Right now I'm using black fabric and I'm still learning how to adjust the projection settings to make the lines lighter in color for better visibility. This is how you can use a projector for sewing patterns. Have you tried using a projector for sewing, or is it something you're considering? Let me know in the comments. In my next video, I'll show the cutting process. Thanks for watching.